Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to unbox a very cute Tom and Cherry cotton keychain. Let's see how it looks. Okay, now open. The product come inside a box, but the box was slightly damaged. The outer box is not in perfect condition, maybe because of delivery handling, but the product inside it is safe and not damaged. Wow, this is a cute cotton cat keychain. The color is grey and white. The face looks funny and attractive. The material feels soft rubber, not hard plastic. It is lightweight and easy to carry. The size is perfect for keys or bags. The metal rings look strong. It can be used for bike keys, car keys, or school bags. Use and opinion. This keychain is good for kids and cotton lovers. It is also a nice small gift item. Overall, I like the design and quality. The face expression is very nice. The eyes, ears, and smile look cottonish. It reminds me of childhood cottons. The grey color looks clean and attractive. The wild hands and legs give a good contrast. The design is simple but eye-catching. It feels smooth in hand, no sharp edge. Kids can also use this safely. Okay, gift value. This is a good gift for kids. Cotton lovers will like this. It is a nice, small and budget-friendly gift. Final opinion. Overall, this keychain looks cute and worth the price. I personally like the design. If you like cotton keychain, like Tom and Cherry style, this one is a good choice for gift lovers. Thanks for watching. Tata. Bye bye. See you. Bye.